up, pick it up. Speed, come on.
Yo, Fabs, jump in, man. Get in this. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Alright, so guys, as what you just seen there, yeah, so don't know, I set a little challenge for him, you know what I mean, little small obstacle course. The video is going to be on his channel, yeah, I'm just going to put a little small snippet of it up so you can watch it now. The rest of it is going to be on his channel, guys, yeah, so go over to his channel, check it out, yeah, you won't be disappointed. It's like a brotherhood thing, you know what I mean, long time friends, I'm super buzzing, you know, he started his channel. And as I said, with everyone have a different journey, you know what I mean? You have something to talk about as well, you know what I mean? You've done many years in the British Army, still serving still, you know what I mean? And you get me, you just, in our journey, of the different flow we on, you know? So you have something to talk about, I have something different to talk about. So guys, please go over to his channel, like, share, subscribe, and you don't know, just leave a comment. Let him know Fabziy sent you as well, yeah?
Straight,
you know
straight.
Apart from that, guys, today was really excited as well. As you see the guys, you know, we have pass out today. So what I've done, I gave my camera to the recruits so they could vlog the last day they have in Purbright. I hope you guys enjoyed. Remember, I wasn't the one behind the camera holding it, so if you see any shaky footage or whatever, yeah, it's not my fault, yeah? So I hope you guys enjoy that, guys, and I hope you go over to his channel again, yeah?
Fitness is life, remember that, yeah?
Fitness is life, remember that, yeah? Like, share, and subscribe. Spread the love, yeah? You don't know. Anything you want to add?
Thanks for the challenge, man. Long journey ahead of us. Let's take it on.
Without a doubt.
Yes, man.
And anyone want to come on for a challenge, yeah? He's up for it.
Exactly. So you can also go on my channel and you can put up different challenges that you want me to try as well. And trust me, I'll give it a go. I'm not afraid to take up any challenges.
He's afraid. He's afraid. He's not ready. Yeah? He's not ready for this. Alright guys, you don't know, guys, yeah, we're just spreading some love, some positivity. Yeah, you don't know, big and better to come. This is the first challenge I've set for him. There's plenty more to come, guys. Bigger and better. I'm gonna invite some crazy friends of mine on this channel. Stay tuned. Your boy Murray.
Gotta love it.
Peace.
This is room 101, Paget Troop. Before I pass off, we've got Recruit Cocknell here.
Hello, hello.
Recruit Justice, he's been here for a good couple of years now, as you can see. Recruit Francis.
Right.
And Recruit Evans.
Right, fellas.
And obviously we're just 15 minutes before pass off.
Yeah, let's get it going.
Yep. Currently now, obviously it's a different pass off for us because we had less members in our troop due to COVID. This is Recruit Silverman.
Oh, you're right.
Recruit James.
Hello.
Do you want to tell them about what you're joining, James?
I'm joining the Corps of Army Music.
And to play
As
what?
a musician, to join the French horn. To join the French horn. Play the French horn.
To join the French horn. Yep. And he's the only Corps of Army music here, so I've got Atkinson who's joining the artillery. And finally, Recruit President who's 5 foot tall.
You're right.
Joining, what are you joining?
The Remy.
The Remy. Yep, so that's everything. And now we'll get ready for pass off and we'll speak to you after pass off. Right, hello everyone, I'm Recruit Edwards and currently this is the last day of our training. We're currently got 15 minutes before pass off and I'm stood here with one section of Paget Troop.
One section, best section.
This is Recruit Cocknell. Cocknell won the...
Yeah, there we go. That's what you get if you're smart as anything on the drill square.
Recruit Best at Drill, and you are joining the...
I'm joining the Royal Signals, cyber engineer. Obviously, big important role. I've been here. I had to do the SDC course before coming here, so like, it's been a bit of a long slog. You know, I've sort of been on and off camp through the virus, so like since March. So it's a good feeling to finally sort of pass out. Even though we've got no family here, it's getting live streamed on Facebook, but it's been a good course, you know, and. Just can't wait to sort of get to phase 2 now. Got a bit of leave, get some beers down, you know. It's exciting stuff, man. We're just getting ready for the pass off now. We've got like 15 minutes before we've got to be outside ready to get on the square and yeah, cannot wait.
Yep, that's Recruit Cocknell. Over here we have Recruit Justice who's been here a few years now after numerous back trips due to injury. So do you want to tell me a bit about what you're joining in your phase 2, Justice?
I've been here 10 months, finally passing off. Joining the Royal Logistics Corps as a driver, going to Leconfield in my phase 2.
And then over here we have Recruit Evans, getting just ready to pass off, and Recruit Francis who's joining the Signals as well as Recruit Cocknell. But what trade are you doing, Francis?
Cyber engineer.
Cyber engineer.
Off into 102.
And now the best part of the section, room 102. The best part of the section. In here we have Recruit James getting in clip, getting his boots on.
Hello, you alright?
Do you want to tell a bit about regiment you're joining, James?
I'm joining the Corps of Army Music as a musician. Yeah, I play the French horn.
Yeah, see, the only person here who does that.
Yeah,
so,
I'm the only one here.
And it's the only first time our Corporal Mackay's actually ever had someone in that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Over here we have Recruit Atkinson.
What's up, lads?
And Recruit Silverman.
Yeah,
Silverman's joining the Army Air Corps as a
aviation's ground crew specialist.
and you are as a gunner for the artillery.
Gunnerman.
Everyone needs to be a gunner.
Yeah. And over here we have Recruit Preslin, who is 5 foot tall and joining
The Remy as a metalsmith.
the Ream as a metalsmith. Do you want to tell a bit about your phase 2?
It's bloody like a year long, so long time.
Yeah. So now currently we've got back in here. Right, yes, that's us. Currently now we're going into pass off in about 10-15 minutes. So I'll get back to you once we've done pass off, and hopefully it'll go. What's going on, everyone? I'm back now and we've just finished pass off and we've got to see what the boys are doing. Boys! We've just finished pass off.
Edwards!
Yes!
We just finished pass off.
We just finished pass off, yes! What a feeling. So,
We're going home!
we're going home.
We're going home!
Currently it's seen lockers are empty. Nothing, no inspections. We are done.
We're going home. We're going home.
2 section, I'll say I feel about pass off. Right, where's Belle? Belle, get here now. Belle, get here now.
Right, so now we're down into 2 section.
No one here.
Shy,
No one here.
and there's no one here.
And this has got themselves in. Boys! We've
We've got a couple of the lads from 2 section.
That's not great.
Right, so here we've got, he's now known Gunner Roble.
Gunner Roble won best at PT and best shot.
I did, yeah.
So, well done to him.
How you feeling about passing out, mate?
Oh, buzzing. It was awesome. It was just amazing. It's the best thing ever. Definitely do it. Definitely do it. If you're considering joining, just
100%.
100%.
Just don't be cutting your own detail like you did for the past 12 months. We have
Over here we've got...
Recruit O'Brien and Recruit Venters, and one of them is now going to demonstrate the press-up position for us as they're in clip. Gentlemen,
Go on, O'Brien.
this is what you get for lying about.
So this is what happens if you don't do things properly.
So, obviously, a very serious offence. He's getting back to
Right, up you
once the
get,
socks his hair out.
O'Brien, up you get.
You
Here
get,
we've
thank
got
you.
Ventus, who's joining the Army Air Corps. What are you doing in the Army Air Corps?
Be either ground crew specialist or air communication specialist, depending on what the Army needs me to do.
Now, first and also, if you see by his, we have got a blue tack on his head, so can we stick you to the wall, please, Ventus?
Oh, not sticking anywhere.
Thank you.
Right, so yeah, if you ever wear this coloured beret, be prepared to spend most of your life stuck to a wall.
Yeah, blue
That's
tack
how it
head.
goes in the Army.
Best beret you get. Best beret you'll get.
But yeah, pass out is officially
Pass out's
done.
officially done, boys. Woo!
You'll make some friends for life.
Except Cotton,
And-
me have no friends.
Except me, yeah. This is over here. We've got another signaller. We've got signaller Feeney now.
Yeah,
Who's what's trading cyber engineer bracket are you going for?
information systems engineer,
And what does that entail?
basically fixing radios.
Okay, cool. You
Sure, a
looking
bit.
forward to getting to phase 2?
Can't wait.
Got some leave before we head off?
Yeah, we've got about 2 weeks of leave. Can't wait to see my family and relax, put my feet up for once.
It's amazing. There's no long weekend on this course, so we've had 12 weeks flat out.
Solid.
We can finally go home. Over here, we've got one of our latecomers who came into our troop halfway through, Recruit Banda.
Yes.
What are you going to join?
I'm gonna join RSC
What
as a driver.
Are you looking forward to it?
Very much.
Happy that you finally passed out?
Yes, finally I passed out. It's
Buzzing.
been a long journey, but it all gets up to
Buzzing.
an end. Yeah, sure.
Right, cheers. We're going to head off to Scoff now because it's lunchtime. We're going to enjoy our meal and we'll see you again soon.
You see with the army scene there, we've got different variants. We've got Banda, who's obviously a Commonwealth soldier. You see, everyone's treated the same here. It's a good laugh, except Justice there. Came here when he was 18, he's now 52 years old.
Right, Scoff time, boys.
Scoff time, we'll get back to you later.